All right, let me show you guys on how you can make withdrawal from your tag markets while you are still in trading. If you want to make any withdrawal of your money, so let me just try to come to this zone. Let's say you want to test run the system. You want to just scroll down and click on copy X. All right, go to copy X, then you need to, all right, just wait for it to load up. All right, then you tap on this area. All right, it's very simple and easy strategy. All right, let's say then you try to click on strategies, then you scroll down a little bit, so you can see I have $39 I've been withdrawing out of the profit, but I want to just make some withdrawal as well. All right, I'll click on all this withdrawal you are seeing right now. Can you see I have like $8, 8.45 cents. Then I'll try to make the withdrawal. They will charge me a little bit from the, you can see withdrawal all right, so now I also come to here again. Right now the money will drop to my account balance, the money I just make withdrawal on. So let me go to this another one again. Let me make another. I'm withdrawing about 16. That means its total will be around $16. This one is around 3 point something dollars. Make withdraw 3.64 and this. So I just make withdrawal. I just want to show you. So you can see, so this is how you can keep withdrawing if you want to withdraw out of your profits you want to make, so you have made so far. So now let's go back to the main dashboard to show you guys real quick. Let me just try to refresh this page for me to show you. I'm just show you here. Can you see I have like about $12 for me to withdraw right now, about $12 for me to withdraw. So I can access to that withdrawal. If you want to make the withdrawal, you can just click on this icon of you now come to tag wallets. All right, then you make the withdrawal. You come to tag wallet, then you make the withdrawal. So you can just click on this area to make withdrawal. Just scroll down and you see I have like $12. I just say I have like $12.74. All right, I'll just click on send request. I've already linked my wallet already, so you can watch my full video on how you can link your wallets together. And you see 74. I'll just click on this area. So that's how you can make that withdrawal. It's very simple and easy strategy. So you have to just select something here, select the wallet, then you come to this area as well, crypto. All right, you can see, then you have to just click on this withdrawal. So last all, it's very simple and easy strategy. All right, then you click on withdraw. Your request has been submitted, the direct withdrawal is, so just click on OK. So in the next few minutes the money will be sent to my Mexi account. It's that simple and easy strategies. You can see I've already received the money into my account, 12.7. I withdraw right now. You can see, so less than 1 minute to 2 minutes I'm going to get the withdrawal. So it's paying, everything is working fine right now. All right, you can see this is the withdrawal we make right now. You can see 12.7 is been sent so to my Mexi. All right, this money you can see it today. So that's how fast this particular project works. Very easy to withdraw. And this is the live withdrawal. Let me just even show you. You can see this is all the, let me just try to, you can see, so this is the withdrawal deposit successfully. So they are paying. All right, this is not a get rich quick system, but little by, all right, and later, so you are going to make money with it. So it's very simple. Thank you guys for watching. Bye for now.